Welcome guys, this is KOK Party Favors. Today I'm going to be assembling another beautiful gift box. And this box here I'm going to be using is the pink color. It has Wonderful on the top and on the lid. It has a magnetic closure. The inside I've already put my craft paper. This is the bottom and the front. And this is the top. All right, guys. So the items that I'm planning on putting in is this Groovy watermelon. And this is the Groovy watermelon lotion. I have a candle that's battery operated. Just push the bottom. I added the two pearl and rhinestone jewels to that with hot glue. I'm going to put this beautiful perfume in there. This candle. And I have this big hydrangea flower head I plan on using. I have a necklace here. And I have a set of earrings. I'm also going to incorporate, I have a roll of pearls. So I cut off as much as I think I'm going to need. I'm going to include the pearls. And I have a small string of fairy lights. I'm going to include that. Okay. All right, so my shred. Okay. And next I'm going to, I always like to put my larger pieces in first and work around it. So I'm going to put this candle here. Put that there. Let's put this. So we're going to put the Groovy watermelon to the left, and we're going to put the lotion in the middle. Okay, now I know I want to get this in. This is a beautiful flower head. I love this hydrangea. So I'm just going to sit that there. Okay. And next I'm going to, I have to get this in, my jewelry. Those are some of my must-haves in this basket. Let me get in this. I think I might want that shoe lifted up a little bit more. So let me get a little bit of craft paper here. Okay, that's much better. It gave my shoe a little height. Okay, so I'll put my earrings back in. Okay, I don't think this second candle is going to make it in the design, guys. This one here, I don't think it's going to make it in the design. So I'm going to put that to the side. And I put some little ribbons on my Bath and Body Works set. I just glued it with a glue dot. And that's going to stay like that. Let's see here, see if there's anything I want to move or do anything different with. Let me see if I want to. Just trying a different pattern, guys. There, so you can see the Bath and Body Works set. Okay, so this is how the back is going to look. I'm going to have it up like this. I could also have it down like this too. Let me see, I know the last box I did like this, I had it up. So I might just put this one down, guys. Yeah, I think I may put that one down. So let me get my glue dots. Glue dots on here, on this jewelry box to hold it in place. Make sure I press it up against this box so that it can adhere. Okay, and I'll put 2 little glue dots on the earring container. Okay. Press the back of the jewelry box to the back of the container so we can get a good grip. And my candle, I'm going to have to put some shred in the back of that candle. I want it to come forward just a little bit. I don't want this top here of the candle to break or anything. Pull that forward some. Let's put some tape on the earring box to keep it secure. Just put a little bit of tape under it. And then over it. Okay. Now I want to add my pearls throughout the container. So I think I'm going to start here. I'm going to start over here on this end with the pearls, and I'm going to stick. And what I did was I pressed the end of the pearl string to that tape there because I want to try and keep that pearl in one spot so that it won't move around once I get it weaved in and out of this design. Okay, so I'm going to go up with it, and I'm using the natural curves of the different items to drape it around with. Okay, let's see how I want to get it into the jewelry. Let's see. I might end up having to put some more glue dots in different spots to make sure. Okay, so I think we have our pearls draped like we want. And then I'm going to weave in my fairy lights. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to keep the switch that turns on the fairy lights. I'm going to keep that on the outside of the box, guys. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start with this end. Go ahead and turn them on. So I'm going to place this somewhere over here on the side of the box, guys. You can see, I placed that on the side. I'm going to put a little glue dot on that. I'm going to place that right there on the side of the container. Okay, so I'm going to place that, put a glue dot, so I have that right there. So the switch is going to be readily available, easy to get to. Okay. So now I'm going to weave this fairy light in and out of the design. Okay. So we're going to go under. A little bit of tape. Take the light over. I'm going to lift the shoe up and go under it. We're pretty much going to go the same route as with the pearls. I'm going to put a glue dot here to hold this at the top of this earring box. That's going to help keep everything in place while the box is being moved around. Okay, so now that's glued to the box, so we're good there. And I'm going to use the flowers to my advantage and just weave those in there. So now back to the fairy lights. Okay. Go all around this little flower here. I'm going to put a couple of layers over here. All right. Taking it back and forth across this big flower head. Okay. Go around this a couple of times. And the last part will be right here. Alright guys, so far this is what we have, guys. I am going to add in some of these beautiful little pink roses, guys. Just in places where I think it may need a little touch of something. Some of my little empty spaces, my little empty spots. I'm just gonna add these little roses. They're so cute. Okay, let me cut this one a little bit more. Let me get my little wire cutters here. Okay. I have one more I want to use. Cut some more. Candle up, put a little tape on it, and sit it up. All right, guys, let's lift this up so you can see what we have. It's beautiful, guys. We got our Groovy watermelon, fine fragrance mist and lotion. We have our Ferraro Stiletto glitz. Women's perfume in the beautiful shoe shape, and we have our beautiful candle with the pearl and rhinestone bling embellishments that I glued on. We have our string of pearls, our fairy lights. We have our beautiful earrings and necklace, and it's all put together with this with the beautiful silk flowers, the roses, and this hydrangea flower. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe.